How to convert TikTok Pay Later to PayPal. The first things first is you'll have to make sure that your TikTok application is updated to the latest version because payment methods or payment withdrawal methods from TikTok could change time to time. So all you have to do is go directly to one of your app's store or your Google Play Store and then just head directly to search and look for the TikTok app. Now you should be able to know if your TikTok needs an updating because there's going to be an update button here. Now once you have fully updated your TikTok, make sure that you're logged into your account and then head directly to your profile, which is on the lower right portion of your screen. Now from here, just go at the top right portion on the three lines and then head directly to your balance. Now this is gonna be your TikTok pay later is going to be visible. Now once everything is here, all you have to do is to click on live rewards. And from here, this is going to be the method in which we will be withdrawing a specific amount. All you have to do is enter the amount that you would like to withdraw or convert to your PayPal. Tap on withdrawal, and then after that, on the next page, just choose on PayPal as your withdrawal method. That's it. That's how you can convert TikTok Pay Later to PayPal.